Hello students, welcome back to ABBH's digital class standard 8th history. Today we are going to study lesson number 4, the freedom struggle of 1857. Introduction. In 1857, a great struggle took place in India, which completely shook the British government. This struggle did not arise all of sudden. Earlier, as well as many struggles took place in India against the British. The scope of struggle of 1857 and its background was taken into consideration by V.D. Savarkar. Means V.D. Savarkar wrote about the struggle of 1857 which came into limelight. Later, many revolutionaries got inspiration from it to fight against the British. He became a role model for the new. Do you know Paika rebellion? From medieval times, there was a system of Paika existing in Odisha. The standing army of various independent kings were known as Paika. Rent-free lands were granted to them for cultivation by the kings. The Paika earned their livelihood through it. In return, they were supposed to stand by the king's side when the war took place. In 1803, the English conquered Odisha. They took away the hereditary land, means the land given by the kings. Rent-free lands granted to the Paikas by king. This made the Paikas angry. Similarly, common man's life had also become miserable because of the rise in salt price. Due to the tax imposed on it by the British, this resulted in an armed rebellion of Paikas against the British in 1817. Bakshi Jaganbandhu Bidyadhar led the revolt. He was the hero for the Paika rebellion. Struggle before 1857. At every place there was a British rule established in India. The local people had to bear the ill effects of British government. The Indians started feeling that they were exploited in every strata, means every type. Due to the company's rule, this resulted in increase of discontent against their rule. Farmers and common people became bankrupt. During the company rule, in 1770, there was a major famine in Bengal provision. But the British rulers were indifferent and insensitive towards Indian people from 1763 to 1857. The peasants of Bengal participated in the rebellion led by Sayanchi Fakir. Similarly, revolts took place in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and South India. Umaji Nayak also gave a strong fight. He organized the Ramoshis and the local youth to revolt against the British. They drew a declaration and appealed to the fight against the British and overthrew the government. They inspired people in Pune, Satara, Ahmednagar and Sholapur with Nasik and Bhor. In 1832, Umaji Nayak was arrested and hanged to death in Pune. In India, the Indian tribes and the forest communities also challenged the British rule. Their livelihood was dependent on the forest resources. The British laws put restriction on it. Consequently, Bihar, Kollam, area of Chotanagar, Gond of Orissa, Santals of Bihar fought against the British. The Gadkaris from Kolhapur and the Phone Savants from Konkan also challenged the British. Before 1857, some zamindars and royal classes from the different territories rebelled against the British, means they fought against the British. In the army of East Indian Company, there were many Indian sepoys, means Indian military. They were ill-treated by the company. East Indian Company means by the Britishers. Their salaries and allowances were very less compared to the British soldiers. In 1806 at Vellore and in 1824 at Barakpur, the revolt took place furiously, means very frustratingly. All these rebellions took place in their respective territories, means in their own areas, own states. They were local in the nature and single-handed. The British forcibly broke down the revolts. Public unhappiness was suppressed, but it did not vanish, means went away. The angry with the anger burst out in the freedom struggle of 1857. At various places, the rebellions took place against the British, means fight took place against the British. This discontent in the minds of diverse classes blowed out in the form of this struggle, and its outbreak was in the form of an armed rebellions, means with the armed fight. Economic causes. The British introduced new revenue system to increase their income, means to increase British income. Taxes were forcibly extracted from the farmers, Indian farmers. As a result of it, the agriculture system collapsed, means went down. To sell the British goods in India and enjoy profit was a policy of British. They imposed heavy taxes on the local industries. The handicraft and textile industries of India were ruined, means destroyed. Many Indian artisans became unemployed. They had growing discontent in their mind against the British, means they were angry against the British. Social causes, means effects in society. The Indian felt that the British were interfering in the culture, tradition and customs of India. Sati prohibition, widow remarriage act were correct from the social point of view, but the Indians thought that it is an interference in their lifestyle and hence they were dissatisfied, means they were angry. Political causes, means in the administration, politics. After 1757, the British took charge of many Indian states. Later, Lord Dalhousie annexed many princely states on various causes. The Nawab of Ayodhya was dethroned. Dethroned means he was removed from the kingship, means he was a king and he was thrown from the king's rule on the grounds of maladministration, means not proper administration. Whereas the princely states of Satara, Nagpur and Jhansi were annexed, means combined through the doctrine of lapse, means no child. Due to the policies of Dalhousie, the Indians did not consider the British as a trustworthy people. Discontent among the Indian soldiers. Now the Indian soldiers were also very angry. The Indian soldiers were given low status by the British officers. They could not gain any post higher than the Subedars. They were paid less salaries compared to the British soldiers. The allowance were also gradually decreased. Due to this reason, there were growing discontent among the Indian soldiers, means they were getting angry. The immediate cause by the Indian sepoys. In 1856, the British provided long Enfield rifles to the Indian sepoys. The sepoys were required to bite the end of the cartridges. The news spread out that these cartridges were smeared in the fats of cows and pigs. Due to this, the religious sentiments of Hindus and Muslim Sipais were hurt and made them unhappy. The outburst of the war. Disciplinary actions was taken on those Sipais who refused to use the smeared cartridges, and they were given severe punishment. Mangal Pandey from Barakpur cantonment shot an English officer as a reaction to unjust nature of British officers. Mangal Pandey was arrested and hanged to death. This news spread like fire. The entire regiment of Indian sepoys at Meerut took part in the freedom struggle and marched towards Delhi. Thousands of Indians voluntarily joined them. On the way, they handed over the leadership of the freedom struggle to the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah and proclaimed him as the Emperor of India. With this, we have completed part 1 of the lesson number 4, the freedom struggle of 1857. In this, we will revise what we have studied. We have studied struggle before 1857, who were Paika rebellions, causes of struggle of 1857 means reasons of the struggle, economic causes, social causes, political causes, discontent among Indian soldiers, immediate cause, the outburst of the war. Thank you. Have a nice day.